everyone and welcome back. So ngayon nandito tayo sa SMDC Customer Service para sa step 1 ng resale natin. Yung step 1 is verification kung sino yung unit owner, sino yung seller, and i-check natin yung status ng unit kung pwede na ba siyang i-transact. Then after, magbibigay tayo ng reservation sa seller. So yun ang first step. At ito na yung ginagawa namin ngayon. Chine-check namin yung account ng seller. Sa 2Ecom, ang location ng customer service. So, ito yun. And meron din ako ditong napansin, video home loan. So, kung kayo ay unit owner na for bank loan na, meron na dito sa customer service ready. Natulungan kayo kung paano mag-apply sa bank loan ng BDO. Or kung nasa ibang bansa kayo, pwede ko rin kayong tulungan kumuha ng BDO home loan. Just email me sa inquiry@talktoteamdale.com. So habang naghihintay kaming tawagin is gumawa na kami ng agreement between the seller and the buyer. Yan. Dito sa side na to, ito yung customer service na tinatawag nila. Yung sa kabilang side is the billing. Yan. So, ito si Ila Arnie, yung katransact ko. And, nabigay na namin yung reservation sa seller. Yan. So, happy na kami. Nakatapos na kami ng isang transaction. So, tinatawagan niya pa yung isang kausap namin dahil dalawa yung i-reserve ngayon. And, katatapos lang naming mag-verify everything about sa seller. So, sa ibang bansa si seller and then may representative lang siya. And, ginawa na namin ng contract together with the representative. And ipapasign namin, bibigyan na ng reservation, and itatransact namin by December 14.
See you on December 14. And yung isa is January. Okay. Yes.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and